In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notification in Goodday. If you're getting too many emails from Goodday and it's starting to clutter your inbox, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly turn off those email notifications or adjust them to better fit your needs. Let's start from inside your Goodday workspace. Look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar, depending on your account. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with options related to your personal account, rather than your projects or tasks. From that profile menu, find and click on the option labeled Account Settings. This is where all your personal preferences live, including security, profile details, and of course, notifications. If you ever need to adjust how Goodday behaves for you specifically, this is usually the place to start. Once the account settings page opens, look for a section or tab named Notifications. It may appear as an item in a left-hand sidebar or across the top as a tab, depending on your layout. Click on Notifications. This section controls how Goodday communicates with you, such as in-app alerts, email updates, and possibly other channels if they're enabled. Inside the Notifications area, you'll see a specific subsection for email notifications. Go ahead and click on Email Notifications to open the detailed settings. This is where Goodday lists all the types of activities it can email you about, such as task assignments, status changes, comments, or daily summaries. Here, you should see a main toggle, or individual toggles that turn these email notifications on or off. To stop receiving emails from Goodday, simply toggle off the email notifications. When the switch changes state, that means email alerts for those items are now disabled. Some interfaces will grey out the options or show a confirmation that your changes have been saved automatically. If you see a Save or Apply button, make sure to click it so your new settings take effect. And that's it. You've successfully turned off email notifications in Goodday. If you ever change your mind, just return to the same email notifications page and